Yo, what's good? It's the Trading App Insider. Welcome back to Trading App HQ. Today we're settling it Robinhood versus Webull. Which one should a beginner actually use in 2026? Both apps have over 30 million users. Both let you trade for free. But pick the wrong one and you'll quit investing in 3 weeks. I've used both. Here's my honest comparison. 6 rounds, clear winner each round. Then my final call. Stick around. Round 6 is where most reviews lie. Quick disclaimer, educational only, not financial advice. Affiliate links in the description for both. 8. Let's get into it. Round 1. Beginner-friendliness. Open Robinhood for the first time and you immediately get it. Big buttons. 3 icons at the bottom. Nothing scary. The interface is designed so your grandma could buy a stock. Open Webull and your brain melts. Candlestick charts, volume bars, options chains on the home screen. It looks like a Bloomberg terminal in your pocket. For pure beginner friendliness, this isn't close. Robinhood wins round 1. Round 2, sign up bonuses. Robinhood gives you 1 free stock when you sign up, usually worth between $5 and $20. Webull gives you between 4 and 12 free stocks just for signing up. They regularly drop promos for 15 or 20 stocks on a $100 deposit. You're walking away with $50 to $300 in free shares. Free money is free money. Webull takes round 2. Round 3, paper trading. Robinhood does not have a paper trading mode. None. Zero. If you want to practice, you're using real money. Webull has the best paper trading feature of any free broker. Fake $100,000. Real-time data. Same interface. Zero risk. For learning how to invest without going broke, Webull is a cheat code. Round 3 goes to Webull. Round 4, what you can actually buy. Robinhood lets you buy stocks, ETFs, options, crypto, retirement accounts, and recently added futures. Webull does all of that, plus wider crypto support and better international ETF coverage. For most beginners, the difference doesn't matter, but if you ever want to grow beyond the basics, Webull gives you more room. Round 4, slight edge to Webull. Round 5, fees. Both apps are commission-free for stocks and ETFs. Both also make money through payment for order flow. Pennies per share, but it adds up. Robinhood Gold is $5 a month for premium features. Webull charges for some option strategies. For the average beginner buying stocks once a month, it's a tie. Both are functionally free. Round 6. Customer service and safety. Both apps are SIPC insured up to $500,000. Robinhood had the GameStop saga in 2021 and got sued. They've improved support since. 24/7 phone support now. Webull has been quieter with no major incidents. Round 6 is functionally a tie with a small trust edge to Webull. So let's tally it up. Robinhood wins round 1. Webull wins rounds 2, 3, and 4. 5 and 6 are ties. Final score, Webull 3, Robinhood 1. So Webull wins, right? Hold up. Here's the part nobody tells you. If you are a complete beginner, Robinhood is still the right starting move. The easiest interface wins. You won't learn anything on an app you're afraid to open. If you've used a trading app before, Webull is the better long-term home. More features, better bonuses, paper trading to learn risk-free. Here's my actual call. Open both. Robinhood for simple long-term holds. Webull as your learning playground and where you experiment with options or charts. They're both free. There's no rule that says you can only have one. Affiliate links for both are in the description if you want to grab the sign-up bonuses. Robinhood gives you a free stock, Webull gives you 4 to 12. Just signing up costs nothing. If this helped, tap subscribe. I drop a new app tutorial every Tuesday. My next video is the 7 Robinhood settings you absolutely need to turn on. That's right here. Catch you in the next one.